Welcome back to NoProjects video mini-series, part 15. We've been talking about the problems the projects bring because of the assumptions behind the project model and how the project model is just a bad fit for the way we develop software. And because the project model is a poor fit for the way we develop software, it leads us to make poor decisions. It leads to extra complications in the software development world. We've been talking about a new model for software development. I'm going to try and pull some of those ideas together here and kind of summarise some of what we've been saying. And in this episode and the next episode, I just want to give a hint of what the world looks like beyond projects. So in our new model, what are we looking at? This is the model I have in mind. This is what I think of. It's continuous flow. Yes, it's a waterfall. But whenever I think of a waterfall in nature, I don't think of a thing that comes gradually meandering down like we see in Royce's old diagram. No, I think of this, fast and furious. And the dominant feature of a waterfall in real life is that it's continuous. The water keeps on flowing. If the flow stops, then we've got a problem. Something is wrong. Waterfalls are continuous by their nature. Water comes into the fall, it falls straight down, and then it carries on. This is the way it should be. So that's your mental model. It's a waterfall, a vertical fall. In the continuous flow world, we want to get good at doing lots of small things. Lots of small pieces of work, small increments which add value. Not just more lines of code, not just more features, but actual value to the business. And we should know they add value because we're going to evaluate results. Evaluating results is as old as time itself. We all agree it's a good idea. We all agree we should be doing it, but very few teams actually do it. And we go fast. We continually keep running. We're continually delivering something. Teams are continually delivering something and delivering it fast. And teams are seeking out the value. We're looking what will add value, what will add the most value. And we're in a continually repetitive, iterative cycle. We don't stop. One day we might stop, but we don't plan for the day we stop. We plan to keep going. We plan to keep adding value. That's what businesses do, and software is business. We want to organise our work for lots of small pieces of work. This means we need to optimise ourselves for lots of small decisions. That means we need to devolve authority down, put the authority to make those decisions close to the people who are doing the work. If all decisions need to traverse up an organisational hierarchy and down again, decision making is going to be slow. If decision making is slow, this model is not going to be efficient. We need to be efficient at making lots of small decisions. That means we need to devolve authority downwards. That means we need teams we can trust. We need stable teams. We need to trust the teams to seek out the value. And because the teams are stable, teams are responsible. Teams know what they deliver. Teams know what they're trying to do. Teams have a purpose. That also means we can start governance based on results, not governance based on documents or governance based on milestones or plans or whatever. We base the governance on what actually happens. We look at what comes out of these teams. And we base our governance on that. And finally, we're going to aim for continuity. We don't want to stop. We want to keep going because we want our businesses to keep going. We want our businesses to keep growing, keep expanding, keep delivering value to our customers and our shareholders and to everybody else, team members and families and everybody else. Okay, aim for continuity. The final episode of this series, I'm going to try and quickly answer the question, could this ever work? Because some of you may like the sound of this and you're thinking, would it work in the real world? A quick reminder there's some more materials about the NoProjects idea, the problem with projects, and the alternatives on my website. And next month I'm going to be doing a one-day workshop on this. Still time to sign up.